TTAG welcomes the recent statement made by the Honorable CM of Goa, Dr. Prudent on trying to find a solution to extend weddings and events beyond 10 p.m. in non-residential areas. MICE, that is meetings, events, conferences and incentives, as well as weddings, constitute the fastest growing segment of the travel and tourism industry in Goa right now. An event organizer today has to get NOCs from fire, PWD, electricity, CRZ, the local authority, tourism, before he then applies to the collector to get his final permission. When he applies to the collector, he has to submit a further 6 to 8 documents, NOCs, affidavits before he gets the final go ahead. We would request the Honorable CM to try and move all these permissions to an app, as is done with shooting for film locations, and wherein the submission is made to ASG on an app. There are various copyright agencies which charge exorbitant arbitrary fees to play the songs or music copyrighted to them. We would request the Chief Minister to analyze whether these copyright. We would request the Chief Minister and the Home Department to analyze whether these agencies have any local standing, and if they do, to have a common and reasonable rate structure. In case the Honorable CM is able to find a solution to these issues, it will help a long way in promoting Goa as a wedding destination and add to our GDP, employment and tax collection. Thanks.